In this video, let's go ahead and solve the integral of tangent to the fourth x dx. The first thing I want to do is write down some trigonometric identities that might be useful. So I always derive these starting from cosine squared plus sine squared of x is equal to 1. What we can do to rearrange this and get something helpful is divide both sides by cosine squared. And this allows us to write the left-hand side as 1 plus tangent squared, and the right side as secant squared. So now we have that tangent squared is equal to secant squared minus 1. And we'll hold on to this useful fact and continue to solve the integral. So tangent to the fourth of x is the same thing as tangent squared times tangent squared. So we have tangent squared of x times tangent squared of x dx. Now what we can do is make the second tangent squared equal to secant squared minus 1. So we have tangent squared of x times secant squared of x minus 1 dx. And then we can distribute the tangent squared in. So this becomes the integral of tangent squared of x times secant squared of x minus tangent squared of x. And again, we have a tangent squared. What we're going to do is go ahead and plug in secant squared minus 1 there. So this is the integral of tangent squared of x, secant squared of x, minus the quantity secant squared of x minus 1 dx. So it looks like we've done a whole lot of replacing tangent squared so far. Now, how are we actually going to solve this integral? It actually becomes really easy from this point on. This can be written as 3 integrals. Tan squared of x, secant squared of x, minus the integral of secant squared of x, plus the integral of 1 dx, because we distribute this negative sign. So these two we can solve right off the bat. This becomes, so think about what you take the derivative of to get secant squared. That's going to be tangent, so minus tan of x. What do you take the derivative of to get 1? So that's going to be x. And then we need our plus c. And now we just need to tackle this one. And what we do for this is say u is equal to tan of x. So du equals secant squared of x dx. And we make that substitution. So we have u squared, the integral of u squared du, which is u cubed over 3. And replacing u, we have 1/3 tan cubed of x. So our total answer is 1/3 tangent cubed of x minus tangent of x plus c.